This is the best day ever. Okay, why on? Okay. Hello. Hey, my friend. I gonna give you a armor. You want this? You want? Oh, thankful. The zero of. Well, okay, that's fine. You want to see? Guys, sorry about that, guys. You want to see? Okay, that'll be fine. Okay, so we are Dr. Henry hated a. Okay, wait. Here you go. Hey, here, here, here. There you are. Okay. Oh, what's going on? Why is there? What's there, man? Why you gave me back in the armor? Like three? Ha ha! You said, I don't like a lizard. You said that. You say, okay. Sorry about that. Yeah. Okay. I gonna. But this is really cute. Okay. What is now? I gonna press the button. Lever. Oh, guys, take things. Whoa, what was that? Whoa, oh man, that's hurt. Oh jeez, this is the really be careful your experiment. Whoa, the crocodiles became people. Jeez, this is good experiment. Thank you so much. Oh, sorry about that. Sorry about that. Thank you so much to watching my video, guys. Hope you really enjoy the video. And then, guys, can we hit 5 sub and then story about that life. See you next time, the next episode. Good. Bye.